Discover the latest woodworking tools on Amazon, designed to make every project easier, faster, and more precise. These genius woodworking tools bring innovation to your workshop, helping both beginners and professionals achieve flawless results. From measuring and cutting to assembling and finishing, these must-have tools will transform the way you work with wood. Heavy lumber blade. The Ultra-Shear. Heavy lumber blade is purpose-built for the Capex when working with thick, dense stock. Unlike standard 80-tooth mitering blades meant for fine hardwood cuts, this 36-tooth blade is optimized for 2x framing lumber and material over an inch thick. Its alternate top bevel and raker tooth design ensure smooth, splinter-free surfaces while efficiently clearing the kerf. The second negative hook angle reduces chip out and prevents aggressive self-feeding on plunge cuts. Whether you're cutting softwoods or hardwoods, this blade delivers exceptional control and clean results. For heavy-duty jobs requiring precision, the Ultra-Shear heavy lumber blade is the ideal choice. Oscillating edge. Sander. The Oscillating Edge Sander is a versatile woodworking machine designed to simplify edge sanding with power and precision. Built in Europe for professional furniture makers and woodworkers, it features durable construction for long-lasting use and consistent performance. The adaptable main table with roller wheels supports workpieces of varying sizes, while the auxiliary table makes switching to concave sanding effortless. Its tilting graphite platen allows precise angle adjustments, ensuring flawless results on straight edges, curves, and moldings. With an oscillating sanding belt for clean, even finishes, this sander is perfect for doors, cabinetry panels, and baseboard trim, delivering efficiency and adaptability. Mitre Saw. The Mitre Saw offers exceptional precision and versatility, making it an essential tool for woodworking and construction projects. With a high vertical cutting capacity of 120 mm, it handles a wide range of materials with ease. Its variable speed function allows you to adapt the cutting speed for different applications, ensuring clean and accurate results. The intuitive bevel lock and easy blade changing system provide convenience and efficiency, while bevel settings up to 47 degrees on both sides enhance versatility. Featuring SDS saw blade changes, speed pre-selection from 3,100 to 4,000 RPM, and integrated table extensions, it delivers performance, accuracy, and reliability in every cut. Ultra-Shear plywood-sized bits. Ultra-Shear plywood-sized bits are engineered for precision joinery, ensuring perfect dados and grooves by matching the actual thickness of both domestic and European plywood. Unlike nominally sized plywood, which often falls short of its listed dimensions, these bits account for true measurements. Options include 7 30-seconds inch, 15 30-seconds inch, and 23 30-seconds to fit most 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch domestic plywood, while 6 mm, 9 mm, and 18 mm bits fit Baltic birch precisely. The 15 30-second inch bit also works seamlessly with 12 mm Baltic birch. For rare cases where 3/4 inch equals 3/4 inch, like MDF and MDO panels, these bits still deliver exceptional accuracy and clean results. Double-edge saw. The Suizan double-edge saw, $47.30, is a Japanese-style pull saw designed for precision and efficiency. Unlike European push saws, it cuts on the pull stroke, requiring less effort while delivering cleaner, sharper edges. Crafted from premium Japanese steel, the blade ensures razor-sharp performance and durability. Handmade in Japan by master craftsmen, each saw reflects over a century of traditional woodworking expertise. With its dual-edge design for both rip and cross cuts, this tool is perfect for professionals and beginners alike. Blade length is 9.5 inches, thickness 0.02 inches with 9 and 15 TPI. A versatile tool to elevate your woodworking projects. Pocket Jig 400. The Miles Craft. Pocket Jig 400 is a versatile pocket hole jig designed to make woodworking projects faster and easier. Perfect for building cabinets, shelves, bookcases, and storage solutions. This jig enables you to create strong corner joints, T-joints, framing joints, mitre joints, and quick repairs. Unlike plastic jigs, its durable design ensures long-lasting performance. With built-in settings for common board thicknesses, you can skip tedious measuring and setup. Simply adjust the jig, set your drill bit depth, and start working with precision. Compact and easy to use, the Pocket Jig 400 is a must-have tool for DIYers and professional woodworkers alike. KSC60. The KSC60 is a cordless, compact sliding compound miter saw built for precision and portability. Powered by a dual 18-volt battery system and a brushless CTEC motor, it delivers consistent performance and extended runtime. Its dual-column guide ensures smooth, accurate cuts with mitre angles up to 60 degrees and bevel angles up to 47 degrees. An LED spotlight enhances visibility, while the Smart Bevel feature simplifies angle measurement. Designed for clean operation, it includes effective dust collection. Lightweight and portable, the KSC60 integrates seamlessly with the Festool MW1000 Work Center, making it an ideal choice for mobile professionals. Sander pads. Sander pads are essential accessories for power sanders, designed to improve sanding efficiency, precision, and finish quality. Most feature a hook and loop system for quick disc changes, paired with multi-hole dust extraction patterns that reduce clogging and extend tool life. Constructed from durable materials like EVA foam or rubber, pads vary in density and flexibility to suit different applications. Interface pads add cushioning for curved surfaces, while mouse and orbital sander pads handle detail or flat work. PSA pads use adhesive for disc attachment. By balancing pressure and offering grit compatibility, sander pads ensure smoother finishes and longer abrasive performance. Impact drill driver. The Bosch GDX 18V-285. Professional is a versatile 2-in-1 cordless impact driver and wrench, designed for both screw driving and bolting. Featuring a dual bit holder, 1/4-inch hex plus 1/2-inch square, it delivers 285 Nm torque, handling bolts up to M18 with ease. With 2-speed modes, you can switch between fast productivity or precision control. Safety and accuracy are enhanced with auto bolt release and auto stop mode, while its brushless motor ensures durability and longer runtime. Compatible with Bosch's 18-volt battery system, it also offers ergonomic comfort, LED lighting, and all-day efficiency for professionals tackling demanding tasks. One-hand clamp. The one-hand clamp is designed for quick, safe, and convenient clamping with just one hand, delivering up to 120 kilograms of robust clamping pressure. Its ergonomic grip with a skid-resistant zone ensures simple handling and secure fastening, making it ideal for professionals. With the push of a button, it effortlessly converts to a spreading function. Large clamping areas with 100mm clearance distribute force evenly and protect workpieces. A cross groove allows safe clamping of round objects, while adjustable spacers provide support and protection. Built with a high-quality rail, it guarantees long-lasting performance. Compatible accessories: 3,037,000 and 3,038,000. Bosch Polisher. The Bosch GPO 11-180S Professional Polisher is designed for precision, durability, and ease of use. Powered by a robust 1,100 watt motor, it offers 6 adjustable speed settings and soft start technology for controlled, smooth polishing on a wide range of surfaces. Its compact, lightweight design at just 2.1 kilograms ensures effortless handling and reduces operator fatigue during long tasks. Equipped with an optimized cooling system, it delivers extended tool life even under demanding conditions. Additional features such as low vibration, noise reduction, and a convenient lock-on button make it the perfect tool for professional polishing applications. Carbide Scraper. The Bates Carbide Scraper, priced at $14.85, is a durable and efficient tool designed for heavy-duty material removal and surface cleaning. Built with a tungsten steel blade and aluminum alloy head, it offers exceptional wear resistance and long-lasting performance. Measuring 11.4 inches in length with a 2.5-inch wide blade, it provides great reach and surface coverage for demanding tasks. The ergonomic TPR handle, paired with an assisting knob, ensures comfort, control, and reduced strain during extended use. Featuring a double-edged blade, this scraper is perfect for removing paint, adhesive, and tough residues from wood, metal, glass, and other surfaces. Air filter. The SYSAIR air filter is designed to ensure clean, breathable air in workshops and construction sites. Despite professional extraction, harmful airborne dust often escapes and lingers in the environment. SYSAIR tackles this problem with its powerful 2-stage filter system that effectively removes even the smallest particles and pollutants. Its compact sustainer format and lightweight design make it highly portable, ideal for mobile use. By preventing dust from settling on surfaces, it reduces cleaning efforts, improves overall cleanliness, and significantly enhances workplace air quality. Most importantly, it protects health by filtering out contaminants that could otherwise cause serious illnesses. Oscillating Drum Sander. The Oscillating Drum Sander is a powerful benchtop tool designed to deliver smooth, flawless finishes while cutting sanding time in half. Its oscillating motion reduces heat and clogging, ensuring clean results on a variety of woods. For specialized projects, the oscillation can be turned off, giving you more control and precision. Equipped with a dependable 1 horsepower motor and a variable speed conveyor, it adapts easily to different materials and sanding needs. A built-in depth gauge ensures accurate adjustments, while the hook and loop drum allows quick sandpaper changes. With a dust port for cleaner work, this sander suits professionals and hobbyists alike. Drywall Sander. The Drywall Sander Planex M is built for professionals and DIYers, seeking flawless wall and ceiling finishes. With its random orbit motion, it delivers a refined sanding pattern that ensures high-quality, smooth surfaces. Lightweight yet powerful, it features adjustable suction power to reduce fatigue and make overhead work easier on your arms and back. The 55-inch, 1.4 meters, working length makes it perfect for standard room heights, while the ergonomic T-handle provides maximum control and comfort. Packed in a convenient carry bag, it's ready to use right out of the box. Just plug it in and start sanding with precision.